how to turn off or on email notifications on Notion easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and members, and here we'll find my notifications and settings. And that's it. Now here we'll find mobile push notifications, and then you will find email notifications. If you want to turn it off, you can just click on it like that and you can turn it on again, and that's it. Now just go back. You don't have to click save or something like that, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.